Hey guys, how you all doing? So in today's video, I want to show you 4 exercises that will hit all areas of your chest. Your chest in full, the inner chest, the lower chest, and the upper chest, because you really want to make sure you hit all areas if you want to build a great looking chest right there at home. And then after I show you these 4 exercises, I'm going to show you how to combine them to create an effective and powerful chest workout you can do right there. So it's basically 4 bodyweight exercises. The first exercise is one we all know, it's push-ups. I like to always start with push-ups because it hits the majority of the chest or the full chest, and we all know how this looks. Okay, proper form, proper technique. I always like to start with it because it also warms up the full chest. Next, I like to go into wide grip push-ups. And this focuses a little bit more in the inner side of your chest. If you are at the gym, think of, cable flies or dumbbell flies or even the pec deck machine, okay? So as you guys know by now, to do this properly, make sure you turn your hands outside, otherwise you will destroy your wrist, your elbow, and your shoulder. So from here, we just there, and then up. Okay, so full chest, inner chest. Next, I move towards the upper chest, and pay close attention to this exercise because it looks very similar to pike press, but it's a little bit lower. So let's get into a position here. Let me just show you the exercise. Basically what we're trying to do here is, think of you when you're in a gym, you're on a seat or a bench, and you're like leaning back like this, and then you're pressing up like that, okay? Hitting the upper chest. So that's what we're trying to achieve here. So you just go back like this and you push up. Okay? Now don't confuse this with the pike press. The pike press is a bit higher. You push further back and you're doing this. Okay? So this is a bit lower and your head comes past your hands. Okay? So that is your upper chest. And then we want to focus on the lower chest, and we're going to use just 2 bar stools for that. So doing dips, remember, the more you lean forward, the more you're going to work your chest and your lower chest in particularly, and the more you go upright, so the more you go like this, the more you work your triceps, the more you go like this, the more you work your chest. So make sure we lean nice and forward, and you don't even have to lift your feet off the floor if you don't want to. You can literally just be here and you're doing those dips. Okay, if you're stronger, you can start doing it without touching the floor. Okay, and this is going to hit your lower chest more. So there you go, guys, 4 exercises that will hit all the areas of your chest to build a great looking chest at home and to shape it properly. So how would I actually do it? Well, I would take 3 sets of each one of these exercises and hit them all to failure. It's a great way to make sure you really hit your chest hard, and then, as always, if you follow it up with a muscle building diet, you will start seeing some great results. So there you go, guys. If you like this kind of workouts and home workouts in general, don't forget to grab my brand new and 100% free big book of home workouts at sixpackfactory.com/big book. And then, as always, click on the like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, by the way, to click on that notification icon and the bell icon to make sure you continue getting notifications every week as I upload new videos. Until the next one, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.